Hello everyone, this is free scholarship announcement page. In our page, we announce for all students who want to apply in fully funded scholarship in all over the world. Today we are going to how to apply the UK scholarship, how to prepare the Chevening Scholarship Application 2026. By the way, our website was down for the couple of days before, so we apologize for those who want to apply through our website. You cannot access before 2-3 days. So we apologize for that down, and now everything is solved. We create a new website and post for you every single day in our Telegram channel. So we ask a big apology for those who disappoint because of our website. Anyways, we are going to about how to prepare the Chevening Scholarship 2026. If you want to apply the United Kingdom Scholarship, this is a post opportunity, and listen carefully how to apply in this scholarship and how to get the scholarship easily. So if you are looking for the Chevening Scholarship to prepare 2026 application form, so because of the circle rule paid the preparation, you must be lose this chance. So before you lost the chance, see what you're gonna do for application. The main thing is for you, if you want to apply in this scholarship, you must prepare the passport, academic transcript, degree certificate, and referral letter. If you don't have a passport, you don't have apply to this scholarship. Simple and short and simple answer. If you don't have passport, you are not allowed to apply. So, because many students asking me, they don't have, especially in Ethiopian students, because of some issue. I know, I understand perfectly about the passport case, but the scholarship committee, they don't understand what's going on in your country. So if you don't have a passport, you are not applying because one of its required document. Anyways, if you all have these all requirements, by the way, the referral letter must be written by your immediate boss, academic reference, and so on, and they are communicates with those person who write the application letter or the reference letter for you on behalf of you. They will communicate via email address which is written on the letter. So, writing the completing essay, which is the leadership and inflation, networking, study in the UK and career plan. It including those four things. If you want to apply or if you want to be part of Chevening Scholarship Application, you must be write the essay. So, before you writing this essay, you must learn leadership and inflation. You must read carefully and don't copy paste from ChatGPT or AI or any other artificial intelligence websites before you apply. You must prepare or you must rewrite 2-3 times this essay. So use the language, perfect language, because they are England. So they see everything carefully, and you have to write error-free, and the two easy understand and hold together. Try to write error-free essay. So, what is the step-by-step application process? First, you have to check the eligible criteria. As I mentioned before, the document is must be prepared and ready for the application. Before to process, don't sign up first, but official Chevening site is going through denied eligibility requirement confirming. So, it must, you see the eligible criteria. Citizenship in the Chevening eligible country. They announce which one country is eligible or not. Holding the undergraduate degree, because the Chevening or the United Kingdom Scholarship is for master's program. At least 2 year working experience. You must need 2 years working experience before you apply. So, if you have these three first eligible criteria, if you fulfill, the second one is select the course and universities. Looking for 3 opportunities in the United Kingdom master's course program, both helping your career developing or development it develop your career. Previously, as I mentioned, you must have 2 year work experience that must develop your career. It's true achieving mission, because if you want to selected by the committee, you must be selected related field. So full look each the course is must be related to the academic interest as well as a professional direction. So preparing the organization, your documents, if you are select the course and the university related to your career and your academic interest. And then the third one is prepare the organize and your documents. You must be organized and prepared. Make sure that you are not missing any document or any papers. Your passport and academic record is one of the reference of your set. You must be specified, or you must be prepared. That and also the winning reference letter. It's from your talent hobby, including your talent hobby, everything. Scanning them and upload the correct form. About the reference letter, your immediate boss or your previous lecturer must written all the reference letter, 2 reference letter actually. But you have to make sure that a person who write for you is known you very well, because they're asking that person via email. So they write for you, they write on behalf of you for that person. Because if he or she write on behalf of you about your academic achievement or about your work experience, that person must know you. Anyways, regarding to the complete online application form, the UK and the career plan must be 500 words for about essay, your view about topic. As I mentioned, the essay must be finished online portal and upload the essay. Make sure you have to write in error-free and upload. Use a perfect word and subject verb agreement. Make sure there is no any error for that. Review the submitting your application before you upload or you submit all applications, not only the UK, all applications. You must see all are fulfilled or are checklist the documents. Make sure one time you have to check and submit the application. So if you want to apply, there's a link in here. You click the link and you get the application online portal form. So I wish you good luck for everyone who want to apply this UK scholarship. Good luck for everyone. If you have any question, you can communicate with me via any platform. There is a LinkedIn, YouTube, Telegram, any platform, or you can put a comment below this video. So if you want to apply this, you must fulfill all the documents. I wish you good luck. Thank you.